a great choice today with the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, power windows, MP3 player, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.